Alright guys, looks like we are good to go. We got two boxes of Inception, one of 2014, the other one 2015. Teams are on your right of the screen. As always, appreciate the fill. It is 8:04 now, Mount Standard Time, so we'll get this going. Good luck. Best of luck to everybody. We're looking at about 3 hits per box, so 6 total. We'll see what we got here. We'll go with 2014 first. You can see sealed box. Here's the empty. Oh, looks kind of fat. Might have something nice in here. Never know. Let's see, get these base cards out. Alright, we got Andre Johnson base. Gronk base. Manti Te'o. AJ Green. This is number 299. 99 on the AJ. And our first one, it's a Sammy Watkins, 3-color patch. Bills. That's Gregory Kelly. This is number 122. Some 3-color action there. Let's go into Gregory Kelly. We got a Jordan Matthews autograph. Eagles. That's Adam Seacrest. And we got a Kadeem Carey. Bears. Got some stitching there. That's also going to Gregory Kelly. Yep, George. This is the first box. Now for the 2015. Empty box. Julius Thomas base. Crabtree base. Phillip Rivers, number 125 for the Chargers. Terrell Suggs, Ravens, number 160. The autograph is going to the Browns. Adam Seacrest, number 2, 150, Duke Johnson. Relic, Duke Johnson. I don't even know why they do this. Same players, same box. But this is also going to Adam. And the relic is for the Saints. 3-color, Garrett Grayson. So here are the hits for both boxes. Grayson 3-color patch. Duke Johnson RPA. Duke Johnson auto. Kadeem Carey RPA. Jordan Matthews autograph. Sammy Watkins patch. That's all, folks. Catch you around.